Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Bard AI account. If you wanna log in and access your Google Bard AI account in a few simple steps, then here's how you can do it. Open up your preferred web browser on your device and then go to the URL box and type in bard.google.com and press go or search. You'll then need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials. If you don't have a Google account yet, tap on Create Account link and follow through the account creation process. For existing Google account, type in your email or phone number in the text box. After you are done, tap on Next. On the next page, it'll ask you to verify yourself by entering your Google account's password. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password. If you have access to your password, type it in this text box. After that, tap Next and you have successfully logged in to Google Bard AI. That is how you can easily log in to Google Bard AI account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet to our channel, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you'll never miss another tutorials like this. I'll be back soon with more of these tutorials for you. Thanks for watching.